Welcome back to That Bicycle Mechanic. Here we've got 3 sets of pedals that we're going to open and service and regrease. We've got the Look Extract, the Shimano XTR and the Shimano M520. Each of these pedals have different ways of opening it. What we're going to use is the grease, disc brake cleaner and a little bit of TLC. Then we open that cap on the Look Extract. You're going to have an 8 Allen key with a 8mm ratchet bolt. You're going to always anti-clockwise take the nut out, take the spindle out. You'll see it's a bearing that side, and there's a washer as well. Don't lose that one. With the Shimano XTR, it's a 15mm flat spanner, anti-clockwise. This one has roller bearings on it, no steel bearings. Now for the Shimano M520, get a special tool. You can get it on Timo if you'd like, or you can use pliers. Pliers does damage it, especially if you go to the wrong side. It's quite bigger, this one, than the XT or XTR, sorry. So you can see each of these spindles are completely different and can't fit on each other. For cleaning, I use this brake cleaner. Spray it, wipe it. You can also use your compressor to blow out all the excess gunk that's inside the roller bearings. I'm going to spray in there, shake it good, get it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 5mm Allen key, hook the point and push in the towel to clean it nice and thoroughly inside. By doing this regularly, you will extend your life of your pedals. Now, for assembly, I like to put a generous amount of grease inside the pedal body and push it in nice. This one has the bolt and the washer. Get that washer nice in place so you don't misthread your nut. Can be sometimes difficult to get that nut on the right place, but once it's there, you sort it. Grab your 8mm Allen key to hold it tight as you are turning on the axis itself. Nice and tight, and then put your dust cover back on. You don't need to over tight it, you just tight it to where it stops, and that's that. Give it a nice spray and a clean, and our Look Extract is serviced. Obviously, if it's still got a creaking sound, it's the bearing. Pull the bearing out, regrease the bearing, put it in or just replace it. They are difficult to find at bearings, so the best is just to service them on a regular basis. Here you will see what I'm pointing to you now is if you don't clean it properly and you put a generous amount of grease in there, the new grease will push out the old grease, all the dirt, the grime out of the pedal as well. So you're left only with the fresh new grease inside your pedal. Because it's a roller bearing, the grease does go through all the bearings and pushes it out to the top, the way to escape. Both of Shimano pedals, the same concept. Put it in, generous amount of grease, so that we can push out all the excess dirty hands is a little bit slippy for the grease, so check how dirty that is. Now we know it's a freshly packed grease pedal, ready for another few hundred kilometers.